In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write code in Notion. If you're documenting projects, sharing examples with teammates, or keeping a personal library of snippets, Notion makes it simple to add clean, readable code blocks that look great and are easy to maintain. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the code to appear on your Notion page. Type slash, then the word code, and press enter. The moment you confirm that command, Notion creates a dedicated code block. It's a single container designed for multi-line code, so it keeps your formatting intact and displays everything in a clear, monospace style that's comfortable to read. Look to the top right corner of that new block and you'll see a small drop-down menu. Click it to select the programming language you're using, whether that's JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, SQL, or many others. Choosing the correct language tells Notion how to color and format your code, so it's easier to scan at a glance. Keywords, strings, comments, and symbols will be highlighted appropriately, which helps you understand structure and spot mistakes faster. If you ever switch languages or paste in a snippet from elsewhere, you can return to the same drop-down and change the selection at any time. With the language set, start typing or paste in your code. Notion preserves indentation and line breaks, and you can continue to use Tab for indentation and Shift Tab to adjust it. Long lines will remain readable, and the block keeps everything aligned so your code stays tidy. Because this is a code block, Notion won't try to auto-format it like a normal text paragraph, so your symbols and spacing remain exactly how you intended. One nice thing to remember is that Notion is a documentation tool, not a compiler or runtime, so code in a block won't execute. Think of it as a polished, shareable reference. Whenever you update the text in the block, Notion saves those changes automatically. There's no separate save button. That means you can focus on writing and polishing your snippet, confident it'll be there the next time you open the page. To recap the flow, you'll use type/code and press enter to create your block. Use the drop-down in the top right of the block to pick the language, and then write or paste your code. That's all you need to create clear, properly highlighted code snippets in Notion. Keep your pages organized, your examples readable, and your documentation consistent with just those simple steps.